This is the F sound. The F sound can be made 4 different ways. This is how we write it. Here's the first way, a plain F. Second way, double F. Third way, PH, a digraph. And finally, GH, another digraph. Examples of this would be fat, waffle, phone, and laugh. Alright, now when making the F sound, first thing, we tuck in the bottom jaw. We tuck it in like a drawer. We pull it back like we're getting ready to take it right in. We tuck our bottom lip, tuck, bottom lip, under, top, teeth. Now our second one, make a seal. So there should only be a little bit of air sneaking around your front teeth. And third, force air out the corners of your mouth by the teeth that are against the bottom lip. Force out sound. Fat, fart.